Horses out, we have Seniority, past the begin by Lulan Beach, is running by Drella, then followed by Mischievous, down on the inside, Siklag, alam mo na yan, comes next, Teritun, Gen Spirita, Royal Scepter, and Manpower now racing in Leza. We have alam mo na yan, takes the lead now by about half a length, Siklag in second, moving up on the outside, Teritun, Mischievous, Gen Spirit, then comes Balulang Beach, Royal Scepter, Seniority, and Manpower. And it's still alam mo na yan by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside now is Balulang Beach to take second as they come down at the last 150. Alam mo na yan, followed by Balulang Beach on the outside. Balulang Beach, alam mo na yan, parting out for the leader. It's now Balulang Beach, followed by alam mo na yan, Teritun, Seniority sa the outside. And hitting the finish line, it's Balulang Beach. Alam mo na yan, close, Royal Scepter, Teritun, Seniority.
Mukhang may photo tayo ulit for third. Anyway.
6 ang unang tumawid ng finish line. That was Balulang Beach. At mukhang nalyam